Hey guys, it's Sheila and welcome to Making It in Australia. So today's vlog is gonna be a quiet vlog. I just want to enjoy baking and I want to take you guys with me. But I'm just gonna do what I love doing and also have a cheat here for the recipe and hope you guys like it. We're gonna make bibingka. So please, if you like this, please click that like button right there and also subscribe to the channel and welcome to the family. Now, this is me de-stressing on a weekend, and so for the bibingka ingredients that we have, I'm gonna use a banana leaf because I know that's how you make bibingka as far as I can remember, and we're gonna use some ingredients here. And this one is the rice flour, the glutinous rice flour, which is equivalent to pilit in Ilonggo. Our butter that we're gonna melt later, and coconut milk. I've got 2 eggs and baking powder, baking soda, and most of my ingredients are here. And yeah, just want to take you guys with me. For the hulmahan, guys, I actually cut the leaves earlier. I've got this from Kohl's and it's actually for pies, but since I don't have that molder for bibingka specifically, it's not available in the Filipino shop. So I'm just gonna use that one for now and see how I go. If this one is gonna be successful, this is my very first time baking a bibingka, guys. Our bibingka is gonna be special, guys, because I'm gonna use a salted egg and, of course, cheese as toppings later. So, yeah, I'm excited on the outcome of this one. Nako, I thought you're gonna cook a pinakbit. After I finish this one. throughout this process po, meron po tayong free powder. Now we're ready to place them in the pan and into the oven. Ito na guys, it's ready to go into the oven. Okay guys, so our bibingka is in the oven. Let's ask Siri for a bit of help. Siri, please set the timer for 25 minutes.
Okay, your timer is set for 25 minutes.
Thank you. So, just have to wait guys. I hope you enjoyed this already, and please don't forget to click that like button and also subscribe to the channel if you like more of this quiet and just enjoying baking vlog. We'll let you know what the end product later. Here you go guys, this is the end product of our chill vlog or just a quiet vlog today. And just a comment guys, medyo bumagsak yung yung salted egg and cheese sa gitna, but we're gonna do a taste test later with Ruel and we'll see if papasaba ang bibingka ko sa kanya.
Kulang yun, apat lang.
Sorry. This is just an improv. No, this is just an improv dinera, babe. So yeah, it's big ones though. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video if you like this one. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Oh, this is again Sheila reminding you to inspire like wildfire, dream big dreams, and maybe one day you too can bake it, bibingka, and make it in Australia. Bye! Love you guys! Alright guys, taste test for our bibingka. Ayan. Pa-side view lang daw guys. Okay. Look at that. And kamayan tayo ngayon. We'll see. Oh, yeah, that's yours. We're gonna have our afternoon kappa. As you can see, special guest Ruel. And we'll see. First time ko po magbibingka guys, so don't judge, okay?
May buko ni.
Looks nice. No, wala. Actually crunchy at the top. Pasado kay Boss Ruel.
Kulang na itong texture nga marag na buko nga.
But it's crispy at the top. I'm so surprised. This is how you eat bibingka, guys.
Naman.
Don't miss pork. So, cheers, eh. Look at our view, guys. So nice. Have a good one, guys. Mwah.